Hey guys, it's Jesse from Mullen Woodworks. Now, if you follow me on Instagram, you know that I mainly do furniture, but Brooke and I just bought the house behind me. But it does have some things that need fixed up on it. Here's the tour of the house. So the house is a little over 2,000 square feet. It's a tri-level or split-level house. So you can see you walk in, there's a formal living room and the kitchen. The island is absolutely massive, which is really cool. So the family room is downstairs. It's a really big area, which is going to be awesome for entertaining. Now there's one full bath downstairs, but it definitely needs some updates. As you can see, the flooring is like linoleum. That's going to have to change. Now this will be the playroom slash guest suite. It's kind of hard to video, but it is actually a pretty big room. Now there's definitely going to be some flaws with this room that I will definitely talk about in some future videos. Now here's the master. I really like the alcove in the window, and plus the vaulted ceilings are really nice. Here's the master bath, and this needs to be really updated, including the vanity, backsplash, and there's just a lot of flaws with it. Here's the upstairs full bath, which will be the kids' bathroom, and for now we're going to leave it as that, but it will need updated. Now you can't see it, but there's a pink closet right there in the red room, which makes no sense. And the colors in this will be Claire's room, so we need to paint all the walls. So here are some reasons why this needs updated. Look at the trim work on this. This is on the island. This is on the stairs. This guy did all the updates himself, and it is really bad. So that's going to be a big part of it. The banister is not actually secured, which is just dangerous. Now let's get to the part that bothers me the most. These are actual cherry hardwood floors that he put in himself, obviously, because they're like 1/4-inch gaps everywhere. And he didn't even, that's just the trim work right there. It's just so bad. Some drywall he didn't even patch up. More trim work, which is just horrible. Everywhere. Look, he butted up against the baseboards and put a little trim along the end. It looks so bad. So basically I had a decision. I can either take it all up and put it back down, or just put laminate that we would like to do. And so we went with the laminate route. I'm going to keep a lot of the cherry that we could actually take up and salvage for future projects. Now for the island and cabinets, the paint is horrible. The cabinets are really cheap. This guy apparently doesn't know what a stud finder is, because he tried 8 times on like each one. Now this will be my shop for now. I'm really excited about this because it's a pretty big space, about 2.5 car lengths wide. This little closet over here I'll show you in a second that they installed after the fact. So apparently to get through that little door you have to be anorexic, so that's going to be an issue. I'm going to probably take out this whole closet area. It used to be a salon. That's why there's plumbing and stuff, but I'm going to take all that out to get more space in the shop. But I have a bathroom in my shop, which is just super cool. I'm pretty stoked about it. Now here's the front of the house. This is a really cool part though. I'm going to fence off this backyard area, but the coolest part about this is there's actually an entrance to an addition onto the house, which will now be my office, and it's 2 French doors on the side. So whenever I have clients come over, they don't actually have to come in my house. They can come straight to my office, and I never have to worry about strangers coming in my house. It's a pretty big area. It's about 15 feet by 15 feet, so for an office / showroom, it's going to be really nice. Now here's my backyard. Look at that view. I always brag about my views, but that's going to be pretty awesome. That's an RV carport with a 12x12 shed on the back, which is just going to be awesome. Now this fence line right here, I got to finish actually putting in a fence. So anyway, over the next few months, we're going to be renovating the house, so hit subscribe and follow along.